Foster. Alongside Robert Foster in the 00 out of Tumwater, Washington, Sean Jones. It's himself and Arnold Norton is separated from Coomer and Foster. Jones, the challenger for the lead. Jones going to get the white flag this time by Sean Jones and Arnold Norton. The winner, Sean Jones. Followed by Arnold Norton, and coming off at turn number 4, the Blue Mustang of Clint Coomer. Foster, Car Care Shops, Muffler Hut, and Quality Muffler Hut is Brian Bykert. On the outside of the front row in the 15 out of Longview, Washington, sponsored by DNS Light Truck and Auto, is Dan Walker. And starting on the pole in the 10 out of Raymond, Washington, is Mike Hanneman. Oh, trouble! Walker went around, and it didn't look like that was the only spot of contact. It looked like there was field comes off of 4. Mike Canavan sideways. Ryan Steinberg moves right up alongside of Canavan. Canavan was your lap 1 leader. So we keep an eye side by side, Canavan and Bykert as they come off of 4. Dan Walker and Richard Kerr. Single file, Richard Kerr looking to the outside of Walker. That's the battle right in the middle there. Mike Canavan going to be the recipient of a very hard-fought battle that's going to go on here between Brian Bykert, Dan Walker, Kevin Carver, and Richard Kerr. Side by side with Chad Hinkle. Sideways as he came off of 2. The rear end just started to kick out from underneath Richard Kerr, upset the car, and hit the right rear of Hinkle. Chad Hinkle's good ahead in. Meanwhile, back Bykert. White flag comes out. The field single final. Brian Bykert, one last shot at Canavan. Mike Canavan, your race winner. Followed by Brian Bykert, and then Dan Walker, Kevin Carver, and then Richard Kerr.